The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. 3. Then Sattva Vajra addressed the Tathagata, maker of all appearance, with these words. According to the ways of magical people, we understand one thing, and everything else is like that. We will not see the uncontrived heart essence of enlightenment by looking for it. Then the blessings of heroic compassion showed themselves in a body using their 5 lights as a force of encouragement for people at the end of the dominion of desire, who have 3 names, for there were 3 omens. From atop the throne of a Dharma wheel, beneath a shining firmament of blazing jewels, Vajra proclaimed the unspoken. Princely people, having the resolve of awareness, understood what it means, and at that very moment was the instant of the ending of time for them. So it was that the 20,000 volumes of the 9 spaces were disseminated in the abodes of the fortunate gods. Then, through the blessings of their compassion, a flock of subtly ornamented birds, emanations of light rays, the goddess of mental pleasure, gathered at a cave in the land of Dhanakosha, and out of the symbol at her heart she took on a fantastic form and expounded on the emptiness that is not to be sought. She was invested with empowerment with the vase of royal investiture, from 7 fortunate children who were also emanations, and met with the bodhicitta without hindrance. This wheel of secrets is a treasure of awareness. It is most significant and does not require the assembly of the pieces of signs. We achieve it by settling into whatever pleases us, without looking for anything. Innumerable victorious ones have brought this together from out of their perfect stores, and proclaimed its teaching broadly. There is nothing that is not included in the 9 spaces. The fortunate, those who know compassion, will understand this instantaneously. Their bodies will fill the great expanse of the Vajra sky. They will cut through the complications of there being a middle and extremes. They will carry a wheel of wisdom lamps without being given them. Their luminescence is unspeakable. Their inspiration equals the end of the sky. They are primordially cleansed from the complications made by definitions. In the wheel of self-illuminating awareness, they are skilled in the methods of thought, speech, and practice. In the wheel of the awareness of equanimity, they lay things out with definitions and grammar. From out of the wheel of self-occurring wisdom, their fabulous compassion naturally arises. The Tathagata Vajrasattva rises up from out of the wheel of self-occurring secrecy, as do the teachings on the 9 spaces, and demonstrates how the self-occurring is clear by itself. It explains things to itself. It teaches itself, it gathers itself, and brilliantly comes together, dwelling as one with the uncontrived circle.